Welcome to the episode 3rd of Learning AI from Scratch. In the first episode, we learned what is AI and why it matters. In the second episode, we learned how AI is already around us in form of Google Maps or in form of recommendations that we get on Netflix or YouTube with the videos that we like. But today is different. Today we learn the skill that separate people who try AI from the people who use AI properly. And that skill is called prompting. So let's begin. Okay, so here we go. I have my browser open, and in my browser, we will go and type ChatGPT. I already have it in recent. We will open up the first official link, which is chatgpt.com. And this is the official website of ChatGPT. And if you will look this UI, first we will understand the UI, then we will go on prompting, and this way we will learn the tool and the prompting side by side. Now, if you're using any laptop, then the UI will look more or less the same. If you are using any tab, then it looks the same. If you will use the phone, then it might look a little different, but these things will remain the same. The ask anything thing and how I can help you with your name, and then this stays the same. So let's first begin with the UI. So if you look on the left hand side, we have a new chat option. So let's say you was working on some Excel and now you want to search where should you go for the weekend. So instead of continuing the same chat of where you are trying to work on your Excel sheets, it's always preferred that you open up a new sheet so that your chats don't get mixed up and your ChatGPT always have a better context. So never mix up chats, always open up a new chat if you are working on something totally different. Then we have search chat. Maybe let's say we have hundreds of chats open, but you search something. Let's say you uploaded your blood test reports and then you want to search it now, but you did that maybe 3 months ago. You will type here blood test report and then it will come up and it will be easier for you to find. Next is images. So if we see the images, ChatGPT now can create images and they are very good quality now. And if you click on this, you will have some templates, you will have some samples, and then you can, after selecting this, you can give your prompt and it will open up the images or it will create a better image. Then we have apps. These are third-party apps which you can integrate with your ChatGPT. I haven't explored this option, but I don't think we will go in that deep. Then there's a Codex. Codex is a new feature of ChatGPT which you can install on your VS Code, and I guess you can download it as well, but we don't need to go there. Then we have projects. Let's say you want to go for a vacation. So you can create a project. In that project, you can have all the search history, where you want to go, which locations you have planned, and then if you have any air tickets and if you have any hotels, you can keep them all in that project. This way, this won't stay on your chats, and then it's easier to find that everything is consolidated at one place and it's very easy to find. So it's recommended if you create a project. If you are working on something ongoing, create a project. This way it's easier for you when you work on this next time. Then on the right hand corner, if you see, there's a turn on temporary chat. If you want to search something on ChatGPT but you don't want to keep that in your history, just open this up, ask your question, and as soon as you leave the browser, the chat will be destroyed and you don't have to worry about that. It won't come in your history. Then next is this is just that I'm logged in with my account, and it's a free account. There are a few pro accounts as well, but there it will show you your account information. And here is the main where we need to give a prompt. A prompt is a wording that we give our AI browser that this is what we need. And on the left hand side of the prompt, there is a icon. If you click on this, first option that we have is add your photos or your files. So let's say you want to create a new image. Let's say you want to you have Excel sheet and you want to add some data or delete some data or add some rows or add some formulas. You can upload your file here and give your prompt to ChatGPT and it will help you. If you have photos, upload your photos and ask ChatGPT whatever you need. It will create you a new photo. Then we have create image. We have, as we have already discussed, these two are almost same. Then we have thinking mode. Let's say you have something in mind and maybe you want to write a script, but you don't want a generic script, you want it to be better than others. Then you can always choose a thinking mode. It will take longer time and it will give you a better result than the faster route, but it's not necessarily that it's very great, but yes, it will give you better result because it's gonna try to think a bit more. Then we have deep research. Deep research is for maybe students or someone who needs a um, real detailed research on the topic that they're trying to search on. So if you turn this on, then whatever topic that you're trying to search on, it will go all over the web. It will find you links and then it will embed all the research. You can have maybe 10 to 15 links which you can then go and explore more, and this is what deep research will do. Then we have shopping research. If you want to check something for shopping, as we know, going forward, as this LLMs or AI models or chatbots will grow, we will see ads on them for sure. So as you can see, we have some more options as well. If we go on more, then the first option we have is web search. Web search is basically, let's say you want to get a flight from one city to another city on so and so date. So you will select your dates, you will select the amount that you want to pay, and then you will select if you want to take a premium or economy or budget flight or something else. You can give those dates, give the details, and it will try to search the real-time amount for you, how much it's going to cost you, and from where you can book. It will all give you all the web data. It will search on the web and then it will give it to you. And the another option we have is study and learn. So if you look at any topic, if you're a student or someone who is trying to learn some topic, then you would choose this option, give your prompt what you want to learn or study. It will try to get you a research, or it will try to explain you in a way that it is trying to explain to a student, and this way you can use this option. Then the other options, I guess we will explore in the following episodes or following. Okay, now let's get started with the prompting. So prompt, as I explained earlier, is nothing but a way that you ask your question to an AI. Now let's say we would want to know, I'm just trying to ask a prompt that, let's say I'm a marketing student and I want to know a career path as a newly graduate. So let's see what it's gonna say. Okay, so as you can see, it already generated an answer that if you are a new intern, this is what the job title can be. This is what the job titles that you can target are marketing coordinator or digital marketing executive. You can be a social media executive. You can be a SEO optimization expert or executive or anything. And then it will give you path. But these answers are very generic. Now, I may be a student that in that specific niche or in that marketing niche, I don't like the others. Maybe I just want to go to social media executive or SEO. So this is not a good prompt. This is just a normal prompt. So the idea of writing a good prompt is always that you use C.R.A.F.T. So this is what C.R.A.F.T. is. First thing that we need to give AI is context. Who are you and what is the situation? So in this case, I am a newly graduate of a marketing niche. So I need to give context that I was learning or I was studying marketing and I'm just about to graduate or I have graduated already. We also have to tell it if we have done an internship in the past, and then role. So the role that we need to give in this case is going to be that you need to be an advisor, or you need to be a career path advisor or some sort of guru that can help me that which path should I take? Action, what the AI needs to do and what you want to get done. So you are going to say that I want to go to SEO optimization niche, or I want to do social media. So I want to know for those specific details. Format. So in this case, format won't matter much because we just need the answer. Format usually matters in those terms when we need when we are writing some email that it should be in a polite way, or it should be professional, it should be casual or something. But in this case, the format can be that as I'm a new graduate, tell me something as per my skills, or you can write your skills and you can give your format in that sense. And the target audience. So in this case, our target audience is I want to get selected for a job interview, or I want to get selected into I want to crack a job. That's our target. So that's CRAFT method. If you write prompt in this manner, then the AI will not just give you a generic answer, but it will give you an answer that we are looking for. So I have a prompt written for this already. I'll just paste that here and I will show you what difference it's gonna make. So I have given it that I'm a final year undergrad student. So that's our C. Then I'm interested in digital marketing, specifically SEO and content strategy. Then I have given that I have also worked for 6 months of internship. Specific certification I should get, tools. We are trying to ask that what we should get in order to get selected, and then the tone we have given, and then format which we have given as follows. So if you will see, it have created a perfect plan for us that build of proof. You need to gain recognized certificates and 2 to 3 strong portfolio projects. So this is our weekly plan that we need to follow. And these are the certificates that we can get: Google Analytics 4 certificate, HubSpot SEO. These are 2 optional. So it have given us so many things that it wasn't able to give us in the past. So that is the difference between a normal prompt and a good prompt. And if you are not trying to write a craft or something else, and then if you don't remember craft, you can ask the ChatGPT itself that I am a marketing intern and I want to land a job in SEO optimization executive or something like that, and can you give me a prompt for that? So it automatically will give you a prompt. It might ask you questions which you can answer, and then you will have a prompt ready. So even if you want to write a good prompt, not that you have to be great in writing prompting, but remember, context is everything. So as much context you can give your AI, the better result you will get, or it will always give you results. Remember, it's like an intern. It is like an intern that is so polite. He have read every book in the world, but there's a problem with the intern that he is common sensely dumb. Let's say you have a real-time human. If you will ask that guy, he's intern too, that can you write me an email? He's gonna ask you 100 questions, that whom do you want me to, who should be in the CC, what is the email about, and all that stuff. ChatGPT would not ask such questions. It will give you an email, but it might not be related to what you wanted it to do. So the more context you can give it, the better it is. And if you want to make a better prompt, ask ChatGPT itself, give the context, and ask him that give me a better prompt. It will generate a better prompt, and then you can use that prompt going forward. Okay, so that was all about prompting, and I will leave you guys with a challenge. The challenge is CRAFT challenge. So if you're a student using this CRAFT challenge, you can try to write an email to your professor, or if you want to learn a topic or some sessions, ask ChatGPT using this CRAFT method, and let me know in the comments how did it go, and if your results aren't 10 times better already. If you are a job seeker, then use this CRAFT method and ask AI to give you a career path or a plan how to land a job. And if you are going to a gym, use this CRAFT method, that how your this week should be, and let me know if your results aren't better. And I guess this was it for today's video. In the next video, we will try to generate some images and we will see if we can create some videos. And thank you for watching the video. I'll catch you in the next one.